School of Orlean in Don Bosco. Today is the open house, so we will see the result of the exam. Now we are here, guys, now in Don Bosco. This is the School of Orlean. The video is not allowed inside, so we will tell you what the teacher said about Orlean, if there is any complaint, and we will see about the what to call this, the result of exam. So that there, Lake Church School. This is the office. So ayun guys, tapos na kami. Then we're going to we are here now in Sherba actually. I'm going to the salon to make my this one threading. It's been a long time, maybe 2 months no more than. And the result of the exam of Orlean is good. Yeah, Dada? And she's no complaint at all. She's in class. And then now I'm here now. Upstairs na to go. So that's it, guys. I'm going to salon now. Dada, where you will go? That side? So Dada will going that side. So I'm going alone. Bye. 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 So ayan guys, nandito ako sa taas. Salon. Ito yung baba, guys. Ayan. Ito yung bayan. So yan guys, tapos na ako magpakilay. Ang gandang gaan ng kanyang kamay, guys. So antayin natin sila. Tawagan ko. Oy. Hello. Pipe for the jasmine and everything. So ayan guys, tapos na kaming bumili ng ng pipe para sa aming tubig. Kasi maiksi yung pipe namin doon, so kailangan namin bumili ng mahaba-haba. So nag-aantay ako kay Dada.
Come back to our channel again.
Today guys, we're going to Urupi. We will buy our ingredients for our what do you call this, for fruit salad. Huh? Fruit salad. Because on Sunday we're going to go for contest.
What is that contest?
We're going to what you call it?
But first of
Cooking
all,
without fire.
huh?
Cooking without fire. So I will make
actually I am
salad.
that's why you want to buy, because in Sunday I am going to cafeteria.
Oh, that is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Now we're going to Udupi. We're going to Times Square.
Times Square. Times Square is my favorite shop.
Oh, because that is a mall.
Yeah, because
We
really
are
good.
looking for the cheese, cheddar cheese.
What is cheddar cheese?
Cheese, no? Your favorite.
I'll put here.
Yes. And then some fruit cocktail. See, it's raining, but not too much.
You said
Little only.
this is wet there.
Yeah.
Now it's getting more raining.
Yeah. It's cloudy, no? And before it's too much hot. Now it's raining.
Well, I was in school, it was hot only.
You did in the school today? What you did? You write something? You have homework? You don't have homework? In your book you write? What?
I don't know, I forgot.
You forgot? Marks? English? Daily work? Huh?
Daily work within a group.
Okay. What you write today? EVS?
Yeah.
We'll see later.
Mama, I want juice.
No, you have water, you don't.
Mama, after this, give me juice.
We'll see later.
Mama,
When we
I
reach
want
there.
water.
Wait.
But this
Which
is
one, this
highway. Mama, this is highway.
This
Mama.
bike?
Mama, this is going to Udupi. This is also going to Udupi.
No, Mangalore. This side going to Mangalore side. This side is going to Udupi.
Should I go this side?
Yeah. No rain here.
No.
Only that side.
That side only raining, this side no raining.
Yeah.
Udupi is very smart. No rain.
How come smart? How come smart?
Because Udupi don't have rain. Actually, it's very long. Where is coming from?
It's written something palace there.
Place. This side. This side it goes.
Where?
One they put because there may be hotel there or something.
Palace something. New one?
Landmark now to see. The
Um,
people will see now. These places.
Say hi to your classmate.
Where is?
In your there in Dubai. Who knows, maybe they see you. Who's your friend there?
Nidhi,
Nidhi and
Spruha,
Spruha.
Ivana,
Who else?
Yovani,
Wow, still you remember them.
Haram, Haini.
Wow. You still remember them, huh? This one? Oh, there is a new cinema, no? Here in Times Square.
I love Times Square, but the
This one. This mall.
The- auditorium is very simple.
Simple.
my voice is bad.
It's a new open cinema. It's very nice. KFC.
I don't need Pepsi now. I need rice.
Nice. Very good hotel. I like it.
What is that?
You said no caps now. I liked it
No KFC.
because I don't want to go there.
Why, Dada?
Tired.
Because you're tired on it.
We are here now, guys. In Spar.
Spar
Spar.
Court.
Grocery. Here in Times Square. Okay. What do I put in? Hey, Dada. Yes, also. Grapes. You want mixed fruit? Huh? Olin. Guys, we finished. We done. Only that we buy. What we need only. Cheese and fruit cocktail. Merong fruit cocktail. It's good. I see this one fruit cocktail. Del Monte. Walang bag eh. Kaya yun.
The first time you find Del Monte here?
I saw the Del Monte here. But very rare. Halloween only I see. Fruit cocktail.
Did I got time?
Yes. What is that? Kinder Joy?
Yeah, I can't. Every day when I was small, I'm saying Kinder Jar. Not
Kinder Jar.
Yeah.
Kinder Joy.
Yeah. First, I want to open my toy. Let's see what I got from toy.
So we finished now, guys. Here
I'm going
we
to
go
open
another
the toy.
there. Another shop. Halloween.
Yeah.
We'll
Mama,
see there the Nissan cream. Let's
today,
go.
today I am going to open my first toy.
Hmm.
Oh my god.
What is that?
I don't know.
Sit back on.
That only? What is that? Sticker. Sticker is there.
Yeah. You need to stick.
Whatever you want to stick, you stick. Birds are flying.
Bird.
Morning maybe have foggy.
Too much than this.
Now if you go in the mountainside, too much fog.
Yeah. It's little bit fog, guys. You cannot see.
Yeah, when last time when we go
In the morning also, there is fog.
Mama, before when
It's
we
so
go,
cold.
Mama, when we are going all together in the mountain, there is Shankapura, two of them, and then when we went in the there in the clouds, that time,
The mountain.
yeah, and then there where we see leech snow, there too much fogs are there.
Yeah.
Not too much fogs are there. Too much fog was there.
Fogs,
Not fogs. Fog.
there is fog. You said frog, not frog.
Hello.
You told frog only.
I didn't say frog. Okay.
You said
I
frog.
say fog. You said fogs. Fogs
No.
is wrong.
Hey.
No, you said frogs are wrong.
Hi guys, good morning. Walang fog, guys. Umulan. Baka bukas. Kahapon nag-fog siya. Talagang hindi mo makikita yung yung mga tawag dito. Yung mga puno. Ayan si Dada nangunguha ng jasmine. Hi, Da. Ito yung aking ano. Aking anong tawag dito sa Tagalog ba? Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung ano to sa Tagalog. Ayan. Tawag sa amin yung singkwa. Iba naman yung patula. Singkwa yung tawag sa amin yun. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Sa English sponge gourd. May bunga na. Ang dami ng bunga. Ayan. Ayan dyan. Nagkaano na. Ayan. Tinatago ko yung aking kalabasa. Ayan o. Kalabasa ko yan guys. O diba? Ayan. Nilagyan ko yan. Baka makakita ng ano. Peacock or monkey. Meron pa isa. Ayan. Kaya. Ayan ganito. Ayan yung naririnig nyo peacock. Ganun. Ayan. Pinang-ano namin kahapon. Kinuha na ng mga ano halaman. Dami. Siyempre para lumago yung ating bulaklak at magbibigay ng maraming bulaklak. Ganun yun. Alagaan para magbibigay sila ng bulaklak. Makadpad na siya guys. Ito, ayan. Tapos tatalian mamaya. Ang dami doon. Wala na akong oras. Si Orle nandoon. Magre-ready na siya pa school. So, ayan guys. Thank you for watching everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you everyone. Bye-bye na, Dada.